Welcome to Centrica Business Solutions PowerRadar. This learning module will go into detail the account and site structure in PowerRadar to ensure the scoping is done appropriately and how user management plays a part. The layout in PowerRadar is as follows. VAR is the widest scope. Within VARs, there are accounts, and within accounts, there are sites. Once fully deployed, individual sites cannot be moved from one account to another. However, accounts and all its sites can be moved from one VAR to another. With this in mind, it's important to be aware of which account each site will be hosted before deploying out in the field. If you do not have VAR level scope, please reach out to your VAR contact and/or your Centrica Business Solutions account manager to help create an account for you and add this account to your existing scope. If you deploy a site under one account and it needs to be moved to another site within the account or another site under a different account, you will need to uninstall the sensors, go to the site they need to be deployed, or create a new site under its existing account or under its different account, and redeploy and reconfigure the sensors under the new site. If the historical data is important to preserve, there are two options. One way is to manually export the data to a .csv file from Energy Time View prior to the uninstallation or site deletion. Second option is to uninstall the sensors but not delete the device. Leaving the devices intact with no sensors will maintain all historical data. It is possible to provide your end users with specific site or account scopes, depending on their role. On the VAR level, you can provide users the entire VAR scope or only a select few accounts within the VAR. Same concept goes for account level. You can have users that have access to the entire account or only a few sites within that account. One thing to keep in mind is even though admins and deployer users have the ability to create and edit many things in PowerRadar, if the user only has access to specific sites on the account level, they will not be able to create account settings for those sites, such as schedules, tariffs, export jobs, etc. These settings can only be done by admins and deployer users that have account-wide scopes. Please collaborate with these members of your team to set these settings up for your site. Keep in mind viewing the data in Energy Time View, depending on your scope, is limited by account. What that means is if you have account scope from Energy Time View, you can compare and view different sites' data on the same screen, as long as they are contained in the same account. There is no way to view, let's say, one site's data from account A and another site's data from account B, even if you have access to both accounts. This may become a factor in deciding where you put your sites under which accounts and whether you decide to merge them onto the same account or split them into different accounts. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please submit a support ticket on the platform at www.powerradar.energy/support.